Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is Friday Night Gab. Thank y'all for stopping by. I am not live tonight. This is a video, and today is September, what is today? September 29. I can't believe it's the end of September. Sunday is October, and it is still very summery here. Usually by now, you know, I'm in the South, so it's gonna be a little bit warmer than up north, but usually by now we're in the 70s. And maybe have a couple of days in the 60s. We haven't had that. We've even had this week, I think 2 days were 90. It's not as humid, but it still is humid. And mostly it's 85-ish, mostly. 82 to 87-ish, mostly. So, and I look at the 10-day and it's that way. I don't know when we're gonna get fall. I think we're not gonna get fall. I think it's gonna be one of those times when we don't get it. And it goes right into winter. The leaves are hardly changing here. So how is it by y'all? I know that some areas are getting gorgeous leaves. So that's fall is my favorite time. I love to see the leaves change, but we don't get that much here. But yeah, tell me about where you are. Send me a picture or two. let me see how pretty it is where you are. I have a few things to talk about. I want to tell y'all, yesterday I posted a video from TJ Maxx, the TJ Maxx haul, and I mentioned in there that Smudge wasn't feeling well or something, but I'm not sure exactly what I said. And I had said that in my live last Friday night, and I filmed that TJ Maxx on Saturday. So on Friday, actually I filmed it last Friday because I was off last Friday. So sometimes videos get pushed back because of other things that have to go out. So he's doing much better. He had a couple of days where he just was not quite himself, but now he's back to normal. He's jumping, and he would like try to jump and couldn't do it. So I don't know if he hurt himself a little bit and it just took a couple of days, but he's fine now. So thank you all for your concern. I know y'all, a bunch of y'all asked me about him, so I appreciate that very much. You know, he's my baby, and he's doing well. So thank you. I wanted to also mention Katie's Corner of the World. Now, I talked to Katie. Katie had a live on Tuesday night, and she was just this close to 1,500 subscribers. She just was a couple away, and she is there now when last I looked. But you know, when you get to a milestone, a lot of times you're there, and then you're not there, and then you're there, and then you're not there. So if you don't know Katie's Corner of the World, please go see her. She's a good friend of mine, and I have done a lot of collabs with her in the past. It's been a little while, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. I have a collab coming up with her on Sunday. If you haven't seen her channel, she's a lot of fun. She's a mom, and she has a son and a daughter, and sometimes Andrew makes an appearance, but mostly, goodness sakes. I gotta do something. I don't know why. I think I actually can control her. Now, she was laying down. She finally was laying down, and now she just got up. So hopefully Camille will not be causing too much trouble. So what was I saying? I was talking about Katie, and Katie is very, very close. Well, she is. She hit 1,500 subscribers. So if you don't know her, if you know me and you just don't know her, you need to know her. She's a great lady, and she has a great family. Like I said, Andrew sometimes does videos, not very much, but Emily, her daughter, does once in a while, and she's about 12-ish, I think Emily is, and she's not camera shy. She's a lot of fun. Emily is a doll, and Andrew is a sweetheart too. But I love Katie's videos, especially the ones she does spoilers for us for a lot of the different boxes like Fab Fit Fun and stuff. Lots of fun to see what her thoughts are about the spoilers, and I enjoy that. And she does Tea Tuesday, and once a month she goes live, and she did that this past Tuesday. So anyway, I'll put her below. Go see her. She's a great girl. I love her. Known her for a few years now, quite a few years now, and I've done a lot of collabs with her. And then I just got away from doing too many collabs, and now I'm got a couple coming up. So I'm very happy that I will be in some collabs with Katie. So actually, all right, so that leads me to Sunday. On Sunday, I have a video coming out that it won't be my usual morning, so it'll be in the afternoon. I think it's 3 o'clock Central Time, so that's 4 o'clock Eastern Time. I think. Anyway, It is a collab with 12 different channels, and it is called Fall into Halloween. So it is the Dollar Tree train, and that is Miss Jackie Russell. As far as I'm pretty sure she started the Dollar Tree train a while back, and she does different collabs with the Dollar Tree. Over the course of the year, she does quite a few. Maybe, I don't think she does it once a month, but maybe it could be. It's fairly often, and they're just lots of fun. And Miss Jackie Russell is a really good lady. I know you all know her. If you don't, please go see her. Anybody I mentioned, I'll put in the description. She does a lot of different unboxings, and she's got great ideas for collabs. So she does the Dollar Tree train. And this one, again, is called Fall into Halloween. And I've already had a couple of ads put up. And if you haven't seen them, I did one this morning, go see it. And Tracy, let me say her name exactly right, because I love Tracy. She's Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Beauty, and More. And Tracy does a lot of unboxings. And she also includes her daughter, Chloe, in some of the unboxings. So go see her as well. Tracy made our beautiful ads. And she also made our thumbnails that we're going to use for our videos. So please go see her. And I'm going to tell you in the names of all the channels that are in the collab. I won't be able to tell you on Sunday because we want our videos to be on the shorter side so that you can watch all of them. Because we're going to do a giveaway. We're each doing a giveaway, and we want you to be subscribed to each channel. And Camille just sat on my paperwork, so let me get that back out. Goodness sakes. All right. So these are all the channels that are involved. Miss Jackie Russell, Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing, Beauty, and More, Katie's Corner of the World, and Faye Blatcher. I've known Faye a while. Also, she does beautiful, beautiful makeup. Laura Wooten Reviews, Favorites with Laura. Oh, Laura Wooten Reviews does a lot of different boxes. She does a lot of Harry Potter and books. And she's also Miss Jackie Russell's daughter. And then Favorites with Laura. Now, Favorites with Laura, I've just recently met the last month or two, and she does a lot of Temu unboxings, and she's doing other things also. And I'm super excited to be in a collab with her because I've never been in a collab with her before. And several of these ladies, I've never been in a collab, I don't think, with Faye Blatchard either. And okay, Camille, I can't get her to calm down, y'all. I'm sorry. And then we have Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, and Unboxing with Arlene. And these ladies I've known a long time. I've been in collabs with them before. Single Mom Review does unboxings, and she loves Fab Fit Fun. She does a lot of Fab Fit Fun, like mystery bundles and things like that. And Unboxing with Arlene does a lot of different unboxings. And Arlene, one of her specialties that she loves is perfume. She has a wall behind her of all these different perfumes, and she knows a lot about perfumes. And then we have Lori's Life. And Lori is a really beautiful lady, sweet lady. And I really like her. I've never been in a collab with Lori's Life before. And Simply Southern Belle, which is Brandy. And again, I haven't been in a collab with her before. So a lot of new channels. They're not new channels to me, but they're, except for Favorites with Laura, but they are new for me to be in a collab with. And I'm really proud that they asked me. I am excited about it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It is Dollar Tree items for fall and Halloween. So come on by and see that on Sunday. And we'll have a playlist and everything. And I will tell you, I'm having trouble with my videos on YouTube, getting my descriptions finished. I mean, because YouTube won't let me do them. I'm having trouble. But I'll work it out. Somehow I'll let you know. It might be in my comments. My information might be in the comments. So look for that, okay? And I have a list here, and if Rotten would stop biting me and wagging her tail at me, I'll tell you some more. Okay, what else I got? All right, I wanted to tell you I have picked the winner for my 2,000 subscriber and $2,000 giveaway. And that video should be going up tomorrow morning. So look for that. And I do have, let's see, I have several other giveaways going on. Look for those, please. I always have, please, that's the thing. I always have giveaways going on. So look for them if you will. I have my treasure trove. That's always going on. And then I may have a hidden treasure or two. That, is just something that I don't title in the video, and I don't talk about it except it, a little private little thing. So if you watch the video, you'll see it and you can enter to win. Camille, stop biting me. She's being very feisty. And I think that might be it. Oh, I also have the I Won So You Can Win giveaway, which I won for Miss Jackie Russell. So you have to be subscribed to both of us to win that one. And that is going on until October 7, I think. So anyway, got a lot going on. And I have to work tomorrow. And like I said, it's just warm here. And it's not as hot as summer. And I'm not complaining. Except I would like some fall. Don't bite me anymore. Why are you doing that? Maybe it might be time for some catnip to calm them down a little bit. I think that's really it, y'all. I don't really have a lot going on. Oh, I did graduate this week from the chiropractor. I graduated. So instead of going twice a week, I am going once a week now. And I did go on Monday, and that's when they told me. And they did send me home with quite a few. I have like 5 pages of at-home physical therapy that I'm supposed to do. So, and I'm supposed to do them like 3 sets a day. And I'll tell you something, I'm not able to. It's time constraints, not so much as physically. It's difficult. So I have to build myself up to it. But I want to do it. The first thing that the lady said to me was, the therapist lady, was that a lot of people don't comply. And I know that's the truth. As soon as you go home, you don't do anything. But I've been doing it. I'm real happy that I've been doing it. I do at least 1 set a day. And I've been doing, on most days, I've been doing 2 sets. And some of the exercise I can do 3 times a day, but not the whole entire thing. I think there's 10 to 12 different things. Some of them involve I don't have it home with me because I've been doing them at work. Those rubber, it's like a big rubber band. The thing I've shown y'all from Temu? It's not like that with the handles, but that has the same kind of effect. It has tension. So this is a band, and they, if it were to break or if I need more tension, I can just get another one from them, they said. But I've been doing really well, and I thank y'all for all your thoughts and prayers about it. Ever since I got first adjusted the first day, I haven't had the pinched nerve feeling. It was in my neck, but the pain was here, mostly right here. And it was just, at times, made me very, very sick. So that has not happened. I have had some other, I won't call them issues. It's just a matter of your body getting used to things. And I've not been in pain at all. I've had some discomfort here and there. And I overdid it on some of these things, like I'm doing, well, this is in my way, but like this, and then you have to do this and push my arms back and all this other, and some of it has been a little much for this side. So I just have to be careful I don't want to injure myself. And, no pain, no gain kind of thing, but you have to be careful not to hurt yourself. So she told me that. So anyway, I'm doing really well. Thanks for checking on me, everybody that has. I appreciate it. And I think that's it, y'all. I have decided I'm going to go live, not next week, but the following week, which is Friday the 13th. So come on and join me for that. I think it'll be a lot of fun. We always have a lot of fun at My Lives. I really appreciate all of you that come and attend, because y'all are what make it fun. Because y'all just gabbing and we're talk about all kinds of fun things, and we just have a good time. So thank y'all for being here. You know that y'all mean so much to me, and I really appreciate y'all. And I know I'm rushed, but I'm thinking about catnip for the cats, because Meanie, she's a meanie, and she's not usually, well, yeah, she's mean, but not so much to me. So I'm not sure what's aggravating her. I got to figure it out. Thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a fantastic weekend. Y'all be safe. And I hope that the weather is good for everybody. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.